Now she's supposed to fall down. She doesn't fall down. Atta girl.
10 o'clock lessons are now over. 10:35 lessons will begin in 5 minutes. Please meet your instructors on the ice.
There, she finally got to where she needed to go without falling down. Look at that. She's getting the hang of it now. Look at that. Atta girl. Atta girl, Kaylee. Yeah, she's getting the hang of it now. Whoop. You get a sticker on your helmet for doing a good job. Look at that. First one there, second one there. Good for her.